How's it going, guys? We're looking at BMW M4 body kit with M3 bonnet look. It's made of a fiberglass and we're gonna install it on BMW 335i N54 engine 2007 coupe. I hope you're gonna enjoy the video. This is part 1. This is the rear bumper of that M4 body kit, and this is how it looks like. It's all fiberglass. What we're gonna do on it is this time we're gonna cut that piece out, and we're gonna put that kind of a universal mesh behind it, or that one. See which one will fit better. Right, this is how the looks like from the top. You've got this is obviously the front bumper and a bonnet. There was a little chip on the front, so I filled it up. This is the front bumper, and what we're going to install is we're going to install the genuine BMW front bumper grills in it. There was a tiny little gap there, which I filled up with a fiberglass filler. It's only like a couple of mil. This is the BMW genuine grill, which obviously we're gonna put it on. So you can go for the universal mesh, or you can go for the genuine, but you have to modify it a little bit. You can't stick it tidy on, but obviously it will go quite nice in, as you can see. So it will fit the genuine bumper grills. This all comes with all the with no toy cover on it. So I've made up. I had a little bit of a fiberglass thing left, so I've made up the toy cover. Go there. And I also have to make one for the rear bumper as well. Okay, so we got one cutter out. We need to still dress this all up. Let's tidy it up, and I think this mesh will go behind. It'll be obviously a matte black. So that's how it's going to look like. Okay, so we've got the this poles cutted out and they dressed up. So this is roughly how it's going to look like. I think it's going to be quite nice. It's going to be a satin black, the mesh. Got the bonnet and the bumpers in primer now. I'm going to show you the vents, how they fit. So what I had to do is there's like a little thing sticking out, so I had to trim them off. Make it fit, and I also cut the that edge down to make it fit. So it does look okay now. And a bumper. Right, the rear bumper, I've got two different kind of a mesh. This is the aluminium one, which is okay, and this is the ABS one, plastic, which I think looks way better, and that's the one I'm gonna go for. Yeah, that's the one.